Day 7, here we go. Day 6 was a bust. We had a max loss. Let's see where today brings us. Mark has been up, so let's get our friends here.
You put less risk on. It's just as your friend, as your mentor. You put less risk on because it's a day that you don't want to ruin your birthday with a massive loss. I know the want to catch a banger on your birthday. However, be careful. Let's see here. Come on, give us something today, market. Let's see. I'm not in any trades. Nope. I'm going to likely wait the first 15 minutes. We'll see what they give us and what the market wants to set up with. But for now, I'm probably going to wait the first 15 minutes, especially on a Monday. And there's no rush for me whatsoever to enter anything specifically. No rush. Especially with 5-minute candles like this. We also have potential war/Trump news at 10. So be very cautious.
Some good news. I was late getting here today. Monday. Oh, yeah. There it is. Services PMI is coming up too. That can be a big number. It's a precursor. If we have a good
Also,
PMI,
potential war news
it's a
at
front-running
10.
sign of
So
a
just be
good
aware of it.
economy. So, and I expect it actually
Beware.
to be good.
I
So,
don't want you guys to get caught in a position you don't want to be a part of.
What's going on, Team Bull? What's happening with the market here? Sweeping pre-market low. Is Jaden talking? If not, I can hear him. I don't know.
These are some tricky 5-minute candles, huh?
Telling you. I'm hesitant to take that VWAP bounce now.
Some tricky 5-minute candles for sure. Some tricky candles. Some tricky 5-minute candles.
Has Gene not made it there yet?
He is busy this morning. He did make it here. He just is busy doing something.
That's how it all starts. Before you know it, they just don't want to hang out anymore.
Oh no. You been trading any funded accounts lately, Grizzly Glock?
I've been mostly trading my personal, but I'm gonna start trading them more, especially if I trade the later sessions. Maybe use one session for my personal, one for my funded.
You got to run it back with a big Apex payout again.
Yeah. Need to. Just not good at multitasking. Like I'm not good at managing multiple accounts while I'm trying to trade, you know.
big trader. I use
Trading
Replicanto, by the
logs
way,
tell me
guys.
to
It's the
focus
best.
on one at a time. Do better.
Yup. You listen to your data. That's how you make progress.
Some people can do it effortlessly, but not me.
I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. I'm one of those people. I like mixing them. Heads or tails today? I'd say tails. We got 4 more minutes till our 15-minute range is in. 4 more minutes till our 15-minute range is in. Baby. All right, let's get this up. Easter egg roll. President has an Easter egg roll today. Okay, whatever that means. Sure, whatever that entails, I guess.
Gonna do
Am I
a
bullish or
filled.
bearish today? Honestly, I don't really have
trade
a
in one of
bias
my
right now.
evals because of that touch of the
I don't have a bias. It's
6.
not even that I don't have a bias right now. Cash out. I do have my
It's
option chain
recovery
loaded up per
and
usual.
the touch. So
I'm ready. Grizzly, don't make me rip some Walmart.
go.
Some Grismart. Don't make me do it. Why don't you have a bias? I don't have a daily bias, man. I mean, I guess you could look at pre-market and say we're trending up, so you can look for upside, but we're in such a news-based and headline-driven market that it's tough. So I'm just waiting, staying patient.
Looking for high a day here. So my max gain I can take in this account is 750 because of the consistency rule that Take Profit has. This is a Take Profit account. But let's see. Trim one. Watching. Trimming one there.
Order filled.
My target is here, and we'll see if we just break through it. Our 15-minute candle is in, so what I'm going to do here is go ahead and put a sell in right here where our target is, and then we'll see what it looks like. It could go much higher, we'll see. You can see we have a level up here, and here's our standard deviations. So far so good. Go ahead and put this up here so it's not a loss if it comes back all the way. I wouldn't expect it to, but just in case. What was I going to do? Oh, yeah. 15-minute range. Let's see what this looks like. have movement up in 12 minutes, the PMI. All right, guys, see the action here? Came down, it's going higher. I'm going to move my stop up. Actually, I'm going to move this. If it's really strong, we'll see if we can hang on for a little bit more. Let's see. And just so
Order submitted.
the next level's way up here. Five-minute candle looks good. Oh, almost came back to. Every time it dips, it gets bought up, so could be a good move. I just want to see what happens when it hits that.
I'm
This
back.
open.
I'm back. I'm back. I want to get me some water. Take my vitamins. We're back, baby. I'm very interested to see how we react up here at 400. It's right near pre-market high.
It didn't immediately pull back.
There. We'll see how this 5-minute candle reacts.
I'm going to tighten this up a little bit.
Who's you looking for, Jada?
It's actually a reject up here at pre-market high.
Oh, they said you're looking for someone, Danny or someone. I don't know.
No, I was out getting water.
No.
Let's see here.
Well, we got data about to. What is up with this? No, we got data. I said that wrong. We have data on like at 10, right?
Let's see. Second chance of trying to break this, so
Well, we have Trump's deadline expiring, I think, today as well with the Iran ordeal.
Order filled.
I'd love to see us close this 5-minute candle weak and then take a short with stops above the high.
Problem I see with that is that we have lowering volume. So that would tell me that it's not ready to come back yet, but we'll see.
See.
Now, since we
Order
only have
canceled.
one, I'll move that up and we'll just trail it. Price goes above this high, we move to the body of the candle and not the
Stay
wick.
very, very patient, everybody. Staying very, very patient.
549 would be my next profit right there. See if it gets there.
We close this candle weak. I'm potentially open to. I'd rather just close below this 15-minute high. That'd be ideal. Retest back up into here. Try the shorts. Stops above this 24,410. That would be legit. I'd love to see that. Definitely something I'm willing to give a go. If that happens in it didn't happen. So
My problem there is he's got a 5-minute candle with a more than 50% tail, but it's on lowering volume. So that's a down candle to me, even though it's green. But the lowering volume tells me it's likely, not a legitimate signal. So could be, but he didn't like it either. I didn't like it. And we do have news in 5 minutes. So have your stops in place. Could be coming down looking for a touch of, since we already touched
all the
here,
blue box is the
it'd be
15-minute
green.
high and low. The top of the box is the 15-minute high. The bottom is the 15-minute low of the first 15-minute opening range. That's all it is. Nothing crazy. Come on, I want to see us pop up a little more. Potentially. It's not the best setup I've ever seen, but could be worthwhile. I'd love to see us get a smooth trend day one way or another. And I also wouldn't take personally the 15-minute range bounce only because a majority of this candle, which you can see here from this candle, a majority of this is wicked to the downside. So that's why I'm a little hesitant on taking the 15-minute range bounce. It's at 372. You'd have to have your stops below like 350. It's a little sketchy for me right now. So just waiting, staying patient. We have potential news coming in. We also have ISM services here in 3 minutes as well. So we have data in 3 minutes. We have data in 3 minutes. I'm going to personally wait till we get data out of the way, and then we'll be good to go. We'll be good to go.
in 2 minutes. Just in case it goes crazy high. In 1 minute. Okay, and
Got
I'm
one. Let's
expecting
go.
PMI to be
Let's
good
get it.
because of all the spending on AI data centers and all of that. So we'll see.
Data's dropping, everyone. 20 seconds. 20 something. And here's going to have lower volume as well.
Well, there's your data.
Data straight down. Let's see. Right to that 15-minute range high as well.
Yep. It's almost looking like it wants to wick down, touch that, and then potentially move up.
Actually,
the data?
a
Was it
little
any?
bit better,
Was
a
it?
little worse than
The
expected. So
ISM services.
I guess it liked it, huh?
I guess.
All right. Market
Or
has
maybe it
gave us-
didn't.
the market has gave us nothing yet. So
These 1 minute candles are ferocious, bro. 40 points up, 50 points up, 50 points down. And for scalping, it's fine. For aggressive scalping, I should say.
if you get into the scalp at the right moment, it is
Yeah.
the right second. I mean,
The right millisecond.
yeah, right millisecond. Have a 100-point stop loss.
Stop filled.
141. Not bad.
100-point stops.
Negative RR. This candle here gets some high volume.
Interesting. It gave us
entry.
a touch
do
of
it.
3-minute EMA there.
I'd love to see that. A solid volume close here. And we still, geez, we have 4 minutes left in this candle. And it's almost at its previous candle volume high.
Hope it don't take us straight down the pre-market low or something crazy.
Touch there. We see a retest back up. Shorts, stops, boom.
On a control again. Wonder if it bounces there again. This is
That's
gonna
what I
be the
personally
candle.
like to see.
I'm going to take that trade
Do something
again just to
crazy.
follow my system
Order filled.
to stop below here.
See if we can catch a short entry. We get high volume here. Look at that wick. Bouncing off point of control again.
Yep.
And because of the touch of this right here. See. Looks like it may fail. Gonna give it a chance here. Well, maybe not. Well,
All right.
there's a
This candle
chance
might
for a
give us a
bounce
short
here.
entry. We'll see. If we close here, move back up into this like 400 area, I'll try the shorts with stops above that high. I will will have no choice but to try it. And if I lose, it's Monday's fault. If I win, if we win, it's because I'm the greatest trader, racing since sliced bread.
See if it finishes here. We have a lot of time. There's the 6 touch. Or excuse me, it's 20 touch of the 9 EMA.
Oh boy.
That's
I'm
21 EMA.
happy to be here trading and hopefully making a bag with y'all today.
Hang in there.
Stop filled.
So I'll be looking for short here too.
And I would have taken that short up there too. We just had that data and we were aggressively moving up and down. There was no real
What is our average true range?
confirmation. If we close this down here,
103.
which looks like we will, I'll look for a pop back up here for shorts.
Yep. That fits
It's kind
my
of a wide range. I'd prefer closer to 400.
to go too much though.
Jeez Louise.
Yeah.
Okay.
What a candle. Yeah. Massive. Where would one even enter shorts at now is a question.
Tough. Maybe enter here at 330. But may not give us a chance if it just keeps going. Increasing volume.
Hoping they give us a move back to
Shot
at least
through.
that we can potentially watch it at 15-minute high at like 380. I think that could be a potential reject. You just have a bit more risk on. We have to move about 100 points up.
I would take it at the EMA's crossing here. But may not
That's
give
that
us a
50%
chance.
retracement of that candle and 15-minute high. Just a reminder, guys, we're 30 minutes in. Choose discipline today. You've seen the profitable version of yourself trade. You've seen glimpses of it over and over. You just need to act on it.
Here we go. I'm going to be watching at 330. Put it in.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Come on, baby. Give Papa a small bounce back up so I can enter a short. So I can short it and ride the roller coaster down.
This is what I call my slingshot trade. We've got an up move, then a big candle opposite direction that slices through the 9 and the 21 period EMA, and a slight retracement, also with the sell signal, a slight retracement, and then a continuation. So we'll see. My theory would be that they're going to at least, if they're going to take the market higher today, they're going to at least take out this morning low. Take out all the longies by taking it lower, and maybe even down to this overnight low here. So getting close. Should be a little bit lower, shouldn't it? Get 1 minute to the 5-minute candle. So I don't mind this. I think I like it. We'll put a little risk on. Our average true range is coming down. So we'll see.
Tesla's getting slaughtered. I was actually just looking at watching my Tesla chart. The 2-bar actually looks good on Tesla right now too. Maybe a short like 362, stops above like
Missed our entry.
364.5.
Didn't get quite up there.
Doesn't
I'm
look
gonna
bad.
chase it. Oh, if it hit 330. It didn't. Now that it's gone down, I'm not as excited about that level. We may have missed.
Order canceled.
Wow. You got up to 330. I want to see us up at 370. I wanted to see us up at 370 to try that short.
That would be too much. That'd be retracing more than 50% of the candle. That's a no. We'll watch a little bit though.
Okay, guys, come on. Give me something to cook on, baby. Give me something to rip on. I've been using DOD. Discipline's been intact, but I'm hungry to find a nice A+ setup and make something wild with y'all. I am going to watch this move back up into like 370 to 400, guys, for shorts.
I think I'm going to try it here, guys. The time frame looks good.
Watch that move back into like 370 to 400 for shorts. All right.
Risk a little bit.
You guys got the game plan. There is a world where we made this swing low here, we make higher low here, and then we just find a way to move back up. But I would be very disappointed in myself if we move back up to my short area up here and I didn't try it and we continue down. I'd be very disappointed
Order
in myself.
filled.
I don't want to be disappointed in myself, so I'm gonna more than likely try that with my risk managed and giving the A+ setup a go. You know, I don't care about winning every trade. What I care about is managing my risk every trade. If you can manage your risk every trade, you're going to be good in the long term. I mean, in a perfect world, I put my stops above that high a day. But unfortunately, it's an imperfect world. So I'll probably put an emergency stop up there. But if we don't get the rejection I like, I'll probably stop at like 420 or something like that. In a perfect world, it'd be high a day, though. But it's not a perfect world. So we'll just have to wait and see what they give us today. My main focus for you guys in being here learning
I'll add at
is that
J
you
Dunn
manage your
short
risk and use
area.
DoD. I want you guys
That would be
trading
about
in prop firms, getting
50%.
funded, getting paid out, moving those payouts into a live account, and then slowly building.
Mm-hmm.
In an industry where 95% of people fail, you guys have DoD on your side. There's no reason why you should continue to blow yourself up. You're doing more than 95% of people will do.
15-minute candles
All
coming
right.
up.
And watch as we move up here. We're at this point of control right now. I'd like to see us go up to like 370 to 400.
Well, it would almost be a retracement of that whole candle.
You got anything on watch, Grizzly Glock?
I'd struggle with that.
Yo, what up, Banana? I'll get you right after the live, brother.
What's up, Jaden?
I was asking if you were watching anything.
I was watching for short here.
Yeah, I want to see like 370 to 400. That's where I'll try short, probably. I always say probably because if we see some news candle that nukes up, then
Well,
probably not. But $370 to up to 400 ideally. All right, we're in the zone. Starting a small piece of shorts. Guys, trading micros. I did start a piece of shorts above 370.
I'm gonna take some with you here.
Yep, just starting a piece. I'd be bummed if I didn't try it.
This is the only area I see for shorts now. Everyone, I started some shorts here. I'm about half my normal size, so.
I have an emergency stop on this at 420. Not emergency stop, just a stop. I shouldn't say emergency.
I'll follow him with
I'm
it.
open to adding to this too if we go up to closer to 400, but I got my first out above 70. So on this, I'd like to see a move
Order
down to
submitted.
ideally, I'd like to see a low a day. I'm not sure if we get it or not, but it's worth the risk for me. I'm open to starting my week red if it doesn't work out. I have emergency stop at 420, but if we close this candle weak, I'll move my stops to like 404. That would be my ideal stop, is just above this pre-market high.
William is telling us a story. Decreasing, decreasing.
Get it in the zone, auto zone. First day on the funded account, DOD all the way, 2 MNQ at most, and go slow. That's awesome, Dave. That makes me so happy to hear.
Looking for a move down here to low of
All
day.
you need is a few MNQ
Low of overnight,
to make
actually.
great progress on your fundeds. It takes longer, but you also
I like the
again,
lowering
it takes
volume
longer to
even
blow
on
it
the
up
6
too.
minute. I'm a little worried about these EMAs and this bounce
And this
area,
is
but
giving
we'll
us the
watch it.
reaction we wanted. We're up 25 points, right? Or almost 25. I thought we were going lower.
Mhm.
Over 20 points right here. I want to see a minimum of like 30 plus. Minimum. No trims here for me. We're green, but no trims. At least for me. You manage how you see fit. There we go. Come on.
This is a test area here, but
I am going to put my stops at I'm going to put my stops at 79. We got this move down. Now, if we go back above this candle high up here, I'll stop for a very, very small loss, or 80. Put them at 80. So tiny, tiny loss if we end up getting stopped. Can look for re-entry if it doesn't work, but with how this market's been from demand to supply and supply to demand, I'm just going to keep my stops at 80. So less than a 10-point loss, and we'll look for re-entry
Go a little bit higher than that, but
if it does stop us out. But the reason I do that is because we went from like 70s down to 40, almost 40, and now we're bouncing back up pretty aggressively.
Mhm.
So I don't want to get caught in an aggressive move up and then have a bigger stop than I need to.
Very much.
So, all right, guys, I'm out of this trade. I'll look for re-entry if it presents itself, but I'm out of this trade for now. If we get another move up and then a failure, I'll try it again, but we closed just below that 15-minute high, above point of control. So we'll see.
Order
If
filled.
it gives us a re-entry here, if it wakes up and fails, I'm open to taking another stab at it.
Because of that price action, I'm gonna
We're
give
up
it one
almost
more
30
go.
points. I just wanted to see the bigger move. I wanted to see the bigger move down to like at a minimum sub 40. I would have liked to have seen a low day. I'd still like to see a low day.
Order submitted.
What's your stop at, Grizzly Glock? How are you managing your trade? I don't trust this market. So we were up like almost 30 points there, but not enough for me to take any off, guys. I wanted the big one. I wanted the nuclear big trade.
Me again. There we go. Yeah, strong market. Now we'll wait.
I'm still open to it too. Another entry, but I don't trust how this market's been lately, especially if this ends up being our higher low. Yep. So one break even slightly, I guess slightly red technically trade so far this morning, but we're going to call it break even. All right, baby, come on. Another reversal candle here. We'll give it another stab.
Mhm.
Oh boy, come on.
Mhm.
Low volume here. Yeah. I mean, the volume looks good for reversal. We have lower volume on the way up. I'd rather see a sweep pre-market high once more and then really reject. That's what I'd love to see. It's at 370s. Giving shorts one more go up here. Above 370, guys. Tried once more. Just moved quick, but give it one more go up there with stops at 404. I want to see a break below
330s is what I'm going to start trimming.
Break below 50 to even think about trimming. I'd like to see below 40. I'm keeping my stop in place this time.
Come on, point of control.
404, stop. I like to see a break below 40, but I'm open to scalping it below 50. Come on.
Order
Give us an aggressive move down.
Just straight down. Pre-market low, one swift move.
Yeah, come on.
If we get into the 30s, everyone, I will trim.
So. About 20 points. Can you hear me, Grizzly Glock?
Yeah, I can hear you. Sorry, I was looking at my other computer.
Oh, you're good. If you guys want to trim this here, it's up about 20 points below 50. Do as you see fit. I'd like to see the bigger move down. But with how this market's been.
This point of control's got dad strength this morning, too.
Yes, it does.
Come on. Don't do the bullshit.
Just trying to get everyone out of this trade before it rips down.
I don't love that how this 5-minute candle's forming.
I just hate being in trades for a long period of time with all the tweets and stuff that happen. We're one good.
I don't like how this 5-minute is forming at all, but we'll see. I don't like this even a little.
We're at our entry.
Come on.
Good.
Follow my plan.
I'm moving my stop to 392, everyone. I'm not giving this trade that much room now. Or, wait, no. Sorry. Above 400. Above that pre-market high.
My stop's at 404. Just above the 1021 candle. Or excuse me.
Bouncing.
8 o'clock, 801 candle. Now, I don't like how this 5-minute candle looks at all right here. This does not look great. We got, again, almost over 20 points on that. I just wanted to see more. Maybe I should just be scalping. You know, short, I don't think there's a good chance he's right. I don't love what we're seeing in this 5-minute chart here. If we close this candle like this strong, I'll likely stop out early or close it at break even. We'll see. I have a hard stop in at 404, so either way, my risk is managed. It's an interesting candle. I don't like what we're seeing here with that point of control being held. I'm going to keep my original stop loss in place. I don't have a lot of risk on, but we are holding that point of control. We're fighting back and forth at that 15-minute high. So we'll see. We'll see. Still think it's a possibility if we're going to find a lower high, it's here, but I don't love how we held that point of control here on this 5 minute if you're on screen share. This doesn't look super great. We had a chance for 20, what, like 25 points almost. I just, again, wanted the bigger move. I want the bigger move. Now it looks like we want to potentially at least go test this pre-market high. We'll see. My stops are in place still. Game plan stays the same for me. Come on.
My stops down. Closer to here.
I'm moving my stops to 93, everybody. So again, it'll be a small loser if it gets stopped out. Went down to 50 again. I'd love to see us push down now. Come on. Really push it down now. Really push it down to 40s now. Come on, sellers. Step in and grow some huevos.
We can break there. There'll be a bunch of people with stop losses here. If we break that, we should go down. And then I think we could see a really good move. that doesn't make me feel good. Tesla's bouncing, but it's coming up to its 6-minute or 9-period EMA. So
Come on, baby. Give us some continuation. We got 20 points multiple times. Just give us one solid push down. Come on. It's not asking much to get to 40s one time. Not asking for a mega trade, though it would be nice. I'm happy this trade's at least trying. Again, hard stops are in at 90, 93. We've gotten down to like 20 points multiple times. It's not the greatest price action. Not the greatest price action I've seen, but I mean, the trade ideas tried to work at least. I mean, that's a positive I look at is come on. Please just give us one move down. Come on.
I'm a little skeptical that it didn't touch that out. So give that just a little bit more room. Let's go. Push it down. Okay. I like that candle. Increasing volume, red. Nice wick down. So we got to break this level.
I'm going to scalp this, guys. I'm not, oh, dang it. I was going to say if we went down to low 50s, I was going to take a little off. My stops are still at 93. Can arguably move them to 84. I want to see if we get down to low 50s or 40s, I'm going to take some off. All right. I'm trimming this, guys. I'm trimming this. It's being safe. I'm going to move my stop now to 84 and ideally let the rest ride. I'd love to see us move down into this VWAP. Come on. Push it down. Come on. Push it down. Come on. Give us 40s.
Order
and then
canceled.
30s. This is the spot to trim, guys, down here. This price action's been very wish-washy. Or if you just want to get fully out, we're with stops at 93, we're just above 1-to-1. This price action's been very wish-washy, so I wouldn't blame you. That being said, I think that if we can fail this POC and start moving down, we can get some pretty aggressive movement to the downside. So that's what I'm wanting to see. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop 2 on this to 74 now. So stop, start, break even. Let's see if we can let this ride. If not, we're going to have a small green day.
Team Bull, I moved my stop down to 392.
I don't like this. It's back and forth because yeah, I took a trim down there and
I
I
was
put my
going
rest on my
to.
stops at 75.
There we go.
Come on.
Trim.
Oh.
Beautiful. Got my trim, everyone. That quick. Hopefully, you had it set.
Something happened.
Literally snagged my trim and went straight back up. There we go.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm still in this trade, guys. I was looking to see if I got stopped. I did not get stopped. I'm still in this trade. You can trim down here if you want. I want to see us move down further. I want to see us move down to low a day. I want to see us move down to this VWAP, or at least VWAP, excuse me. I want to see VWAP out of this, guys. 275. If you haven't trimmed, now is the time to trim, guys. If you have not trimmed, now is the time to trim. There we go, Grizzly Glock. MNQ is still cooking, guys. Still cooking.
Looking for low.
NQ. It's still cooking too. Went up to like 74. Come on, guys. Let's go. Keep it pushing, guys. Keep it pushing. That's what I'm talking about. Regardless if you caught the whole move, part of the move, we made some moolah today, baby. Let's go. If you got wicked, that's okay. You still caught part of the move. That's fine. I'm happy with it. Come on. I want to see what's going on the view op now. This is exactly what I wanted to see. This is exactly what we wanted to see, everybody.
We already bounced off of VWAP, so I think we could go lower, but we shall see. Got 3 minutes.
Let's see if we can move down further now. Come on. Was that news? If it was, I'm not complaining about it. Let's go. Perfect scenario. We caught a winner, and then we get to give away some Lucid accounts. Celebrate our new partnership. Hopefully, if you guys got a new Lucid account with the 1-day pass, that helped you pass or got you passed. Hey, a news candle, we'll take it. Regardless of the situation, we will take what it gives us. Let's see, the last baby runners. Still got them set up here. Let's see.
Nice trade. Like another short possibility here.
Doesn't look bad.
Yeah, it looks like a good short, but
It actually looks decent. That's
I'm
what I was
still
going
in
to
the
say, too.
first trade. So I trimmed twice, but I'm going to leave my stop at my entry, everyone, just in case we push down towards pre-market low. I've got a very small piece running.
Never let me go. Don't. Short end actually looks good up there.
It does. If I wasn't still in the trade, I'd probably give it a try here. Well,
I'm looking at this, guys. I could have sworn I had my stop at 75, but it was at 76.25. And on TradingView, it shows it went up to 84, but on TradeAvate, it only went up to 374.75. It's super odd.
yeah. So
It's so weird.
Stuff like that sometimes.
But then on my Edge Pro, it went up to very odd. All three of my platforms are a little different on where it went. It's weird. But I still cleared a bag on my live account. Fundeds are still cooking. Having a whole ass feast today, baby. Whole feast. Well, I mean, not big feast, but I'm happy. It looks like if we made this lower high here in this 2-bar, too, we want to keep moving down. I mean, textbook 50% retracement. Now, if we can lose this low right here, oh boy. Hey, we can go test this view op and then hopefully low a day. If you guys are still in this trade. Hey, even if you caught the first part of the move, you didn't catch the big dump, you still caught a really nice trade. Especially for this price action. Look how the market looks today. There's been no clear trend up or down. Still looks great. right, folks. DOD Money Team, talk to me. I want to see some base hits. I want to see some positive energy on a Monday. I basically broke my knee this weekend, so I need some love, need some positivity. If you guys made money on that trade and started your Monday green, talk to me. How much y'all make today? We're giving away 6 Lucid accounts later, too. We got 6 Lucid accounts to give away as well. How much y'all make on that trade? 177, 377, 888. Let's go. Talk to me, baby. How much y'all make on that? 1,000, 560, 498, 1290, 2,400, 300, 808, 280, 600. Base hits, maybe 50, 266, 20, 900. I love seeing y'all post the base hit. 635, 500, 605. Zero DOD will take it. 185 times 3, 50. 126. Let's go. I love seeing the base hits, guys. I love seeing y'all capitalize on the base hits. Makes me very happy. Makes me very, very happy. Let's see if we can keep pushing too. If we can break this low here, we should get a really nice push down.
Mhm.
Great
That's I
start
know.
to the week.
I
Even this
mean,
PA, this
I
PA
agree.
wasn't great.
And it makes me a little bit nervous is
Great way to start off celebrating our new partnership with Lucid. As a
Tesla.
reminder, code JDUN gets you the best discount with Apex, Lucid, Tradeify,
But
Alpha
it set the
Futures, and
low here.
FFF.
Hopefully,
The
if
more
it
you
can
use
break
code
this low.
JDUN, the more DOD comes into your life, and the more I get to support y'all and give away accounts. We're going to give away one of the Lucid accounts too to someone who posts your gains. If you guys made money on Busy Glock or My Trade, post your
Lucid
gains.
is. Maybe that new
Put
trading
that tag in the
platform.
post your gains section. I'll be giving away one of the Lucid accounts in there. The rest will be in our live right here, baby.
Looking for low of day. We'll see. Frankly, if it can break that, it can go lower. So look here, come down. It's with it so close to this low of the day. I don't think it's going to want to reverse until it breaks that.
Mr. Gene pulling back up.
This level right here is going to be where I get tight, 207. Got it.
Let's go, baby. This is exactly what we wanted to see, everybody. This is exactly what we wanted to see. My friends, the daily payout accounts are cooking. over $1,000 in the live today. We'll take it for a Monday, baby. And guess what? From entry, we officially got our Mega Trade Monday, baby.
Time.
Hey,
1
Gene.
minute.
Mega Trade Monday. 370 area short. We're at 270 right now. Yup. It's great. Oh, let's do it while you're gone. If you guys want to enter the Lucid giveaway, go heart my post in the announcements tab, everybody. Shout out Lucid giving us some accounts to give away to celebrate our new partnership.
Team Bull, I closed out my position at pre-market low there. Trade's over for me.
Cleared a bag on that trade, Grizzly.
I did decent, and I had a very small position size. What'd you make, like 7K or something?
Nah, only 1,000. Just a little over 1,000 on my live account.
Nice.
I did good on my all my daily payout fundeds, mind you. I only trade 1 to 2 micros on those. I've had the accounts forever, but that's why they're all funded, and 2 are well above the buffer for daily payouts, and the rest are getting there.
Nice, man. Guarantee there's some evals passed, some payouts reached, something from that trade.
Oh yeah. Sir, and it's only 8:52. Damn. We'd love to see it.
We got stuck in that trade for a minute and time stopped. With 22 points of drawdown, not bad. Well within the stake money is secured. I think I'll look for one more trade. One more. I took profits there.
Tail here would be big. Let's see.
We'll take it, baby. From
The only
Monday.
thing that the ideal setup here for me now would be like a high volume reversal candle.
Then move our way back up.
Yep. I mean, we could justify like a pre-market low trend entry from the downside, but we shall see.
Yeah, let's see what else they give us today.
Well, our losses were
You still
managed. We
gonna
got
try to
most
hit
of
like
them
push
back.
days
We're
and stuff?
positive in
Where
one
you're hurt?
Oh, of course.
eval
No
account.
legs.
This could go higher here or much lower.
You got no
This
legs.
candle with increasing volume, it's kind of a 50-50. So that's why if it
No legs for a minute.
breaks this
Wait, 2
high,
weeks.
then I'll be out. Really would like to see it go green, but there we go. Come on. Come down to our target here.
No legs for me.
Set a new low of day. So likely be my last trade of the morning.
No legs
Yep.
for me for a hot minute.
Gonna
What a
stop
bummer.
us out. There we go.
What a bummer. No, actually, I've actually learned to really like leg day. I like making myself uncomfortable.
Order filled.
I like making myself uncomfortable. That's DOD.
Comes up here and touches. My system is to take it.
That's what it takes to truly live DOD is you guys got to get very comfortable with being uncomfortable.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Interesting. We held VWAP, but it's been lower volume so far.
Be looking for that move down here to low of the overnight. We'll see. Let's see, when was Trump talking? Oh, 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Watch what this 9 o'clock candle does.
Hope it does. Caught a banger today, baby. That's how we start off Monday. That's how we start off our Monday. you guys want to take your next trade with me, you can use code JDUN on any of our partner firms. Get yourself the best possible discount. What do I do to my knee? I tried to put a picture in the chat, but it keeps flagging it as sensitive content. See if I can put a different one. Your message cannot be sent. Discord detected that it may be sensitive content. I'll turn on my webcam and they'll give you guys the choice. If you want to look at it, you can. All right. Put it on the webcam. Look at your own discretion. Of you want to ask what happened to my knee, I'll show you. Just beware. You gotta be okay with blood. I hit it so hard on the ice, it literally cracked open. You can see my kneecap. Here it comes. That's my kneecap. Oh. That's my kneecap. And I skied down on that, bro. I skied down on that, bro. Literally skied down on it. My knee. My poor knee. My kneecap. Yeah. Oh, it hurts so bad. I thought I bruised it bad, so I actually skied all the way down on that. I was at A Basin. I skied all the way down on it. Drove home. Didn't realize it was cracked till I took my thermals off, and I was like, "Oh snap! My knee is busted. I got to go get stitches like right now." I literally had multiple people in my DMs were like, "Jadon, you don't need stitches. Come on, just put a Band-Aid on." I'm like, "A Band-Aid? You want me to put a Band-Aid on that?" Yeah, it's been pretty annoying the first few days. It's definitely been a little annoying because it's not right. It's literally right on your kneecap, so it flexes a lot. Yep. Just use your code for my first new Apex. Let's go. Yep, Apex is 8 or 90% off right now too.
Shall we finish here? We took out that high and finished
I'm best to get
below,
on and help
so
y'all every single day.
my plan says it should go much lower.
Worst spot for a wound. We were at A Basin. That dude, the conditions were horrible, bro. Horrible. Wasn't a bad Gene. Do you have your coffee maker here, Gene? We don't have any mix. Where do we get mix? Is it like espresso mix? Oh. Gene, you getting your Lucid accounts? Shout out Lucid.
Got a candle coming up. I wish that had more volume. We'll tighten up our stops here.
Potatoes
At
on the
9,
beans. I
at
got the
9:05.
sauce though. I get lost in the sauce.
Five. Yeah, doesn't look good.
Dun-dun-dun.
Did reject off of the EMA, so we'll see. Oh, there's our 6-minute too. Let's see. Volume. Good. If it recovers this price, then I think we'll be cooked. But so
Oh man, oh man, oh man. What's up, dog?
push it low. Go for low a day. We go. Stick it right there, and it's going to stop us out.
Order filled.
No follow through today. Give it one more shot. Because I just have to believe it does not want to go higher.
Order submitted.
Essentially, if it finishes with a body above the 9 EMA, then I'll be out. But Could go either way here.
I'm sick with the flu, puking all night long, so I'm just gonna lay in here, no trading today. Well, good choice not to trade, bro. How about them Wolverines? Hey, I gotta say, you know how many national titles UConn has lost? 0. With a 13-1 record in the Final Four. Just saying. I'm on Team Michigan tonight too, because I'm from Nebraska and they're in the Big Ten. But I'm just saying, do not bet against Dan Hurley. Be very careful betting against Dan Hurley. I'm telling y'all that right now.
12-minute candle coming.
Don't
It's a
sleep
battle.
on the Huskies, even though I'm with y'all. I'm on Team Michigan tonight. I'm on Team Michigan tonight. I'm with the blue. I'm rocking with y'all tonight. I'm just saying. Be careful betting against Dan Hurley. That man's a beast. That man is an absolute legend. I'm Team Michigan for a few reasons. For one, I'm a Duke fan. So your Huskies put my Duke Blue Devils in the dirt. So I'm salty there. And two, I like the Big Ten.
One.
Gotta give it to Jadon, bro. Is consistent in all areas of his life. All right, let's do our first Lucid giveaway. We're gonna do the post your gains winner last. So you guys still have time if you guys made money today, even if it's $5. Post your gains, tag me and post your gains. I always read what you say in there. So if you have something positive to say and it's genuine, would love to read that. Let's see. For our first winner, let's go to the announcements tab. Let me make sure I actually have these codes pulled up before I do this. Otherwise, I'm going to get myself all mixed up. All right. For our first account we're giving away, I'm going to scroll and randomly pick. A winner. And the winner of our first account is boom, Kayla Fern, KAYLAFERN. Congratulations, you've won a Lucid account, a 50K Flex eval. Congratulations. Thank you for being a part of Team Bull.
All right, moving this
Use
down now.
this code.
The break's that high.
A Lucid Flex 50K eval.
Are we good? Break this low, straight down to low.
Out. All right, let's pick our second one. Our second winner is going to be. Let's see. Boom, Niche Cord, NESHCORD, Niche Cord for our second winner. OG in the Discord too. Damn, he won back in 2025. He won 5 Apex accounts. Congratulations, my guy. You have won a 50K flex winner. Let's go. Congratulations, my guy. All right. Let's
Looks
pick
like
our third
it's
flex winner. Then we're moving on to pro account winners. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shoot. Excuse me. All right. Our final winner. Gene can pick the next winner. The next winner is going to be.
see how heavy it's bouncing right there. Man, if it can come down and break that,
That's not fair.
there's a lot of buyers that have gotten in right here.
Watching. 3, 2, 1. Gaby baby. That sounds wrong. Calling Gabe my baby, but shit, whatever. Gabe baby. Hey baby, I got you an account. That's music to some people's ears. All I want for Christmas is a funded account. Gaby baby with the winner. 50K flex eval from Lucid. Shout out Lucid and our new partnership together. Lex eval. Now we're on to the pro accounts. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bada bing, bada boom.
It's a battle. All right, 18-minute candle. So I'm gonna 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't like that it went down first, but we'll see.
All right, let's go pick someone from the poster games now, Team Bull. A lot of y'all saying some really nice things, and I appreciate that.
Right here. They are trying. Oh, not time for me to call it a day. This price action has been squirrely.
I'm just gonna have to randomly pick this. So many of y'all saying nice things. We'll pick one choice and then I'll choose one and we'll do random one. I think we're going to pick this long message for the first one. We got Nutan. What's going on? Nothing. How about you? We got Nutan for the first Lucid Pro 50K eval winner. He said, "Hey, Jadon, I just want to take a moment to say thank you. I secured a solid base hit today, even though I didn't get the mega trade. I wanted you to know that you've had an immense impact on my trajectory. I started this journey with absolutely nothing. I was just a college kid trying to balance with the relentless grind of school and the dream of building a real financial future in the markets. There were so many times I felt completely lost, but your guidance and transparency at Team Bull changed everything for me. You didn't just show me how to read the charts, but you gave me the confidence to trust the process and believe that I could actually succeed in this space. Getting to the point where I can confidently trade a funded account feels surreal, and I owe a massive part of that growth to your mentorship. Thank you for genuinely caring about helping me build something out of nothing. I appreciate you and everything you've done for the community more than words can express. Let's go, Nutan. That deserves a free count. I appreciate you, my guy. 50K Pro eval from Lucid. Congratulations. Winner, winner. Chicken freaking dinner, baby. Congratulations, my guy.
And if it breaks this low right here, because that's been really strong. Area.
Let's go. And then finally, let's pick a rando. We'll actually have Gene come pick it. I'll have him tell me when to stop. Closing my eyes. Tell me when to stop, Mr. Gene. I'll go. Does that mean stop? We got Relentless, who says, at Jadon at Grizzly, teaching DOD every day. 368 on the day. Let's go. You just won yourself a Lucid Pro 50K eval, my guy. Let's go.
Get that chart. That's just crazy. The 24-minute candle coming.
You can sign up. Let's go. Let's get it. These are fun. The more y'all support me, the more accounts they give me to give to y'all. What should I be trading if I'm trying to get my first payout? I think you should stick to price action, trading smart, trading safe, and joining me every single morning. Join me every single day.
See what she does here. Up, then down. Come on. There we go. Bounced off VWAP, but it's done that a couple times before. So again, looking for a low day or maybe even down here, but we'll see what kind of support it gets here. Lots of people will come in at VWAP. At least I think so. So if it fails, it can fail that price pretty dramatically.
If DOD has changed your life, I appreciate you guys using code JDUN. Let's go relentless. What did Tesla do today? Oh my gosh. Died. I actually was
It's not
watching for
over.
that 2-bar in Tesla. It just never gave the opportunity. Yeah, Tradeify is down right now. They're having a tough time, or their software, not them. Their software's having a tough time making new accounts. They acknowledged it in their Discord.
Just start trailing here. I'll get a positive day, but
Lip, that's awesome, bro. At JDunn, just wanted to say thanks. This is day 25 of trading with Team Bull. Live account has gone from 5K to 9.1K as of today. I also started trading 2 Tradeify fundeds last week, and I'm at 2,500 of 3K to move past evaluation. Appreciate the help and hoping to continue the journey here. Let's go. Give that a fire, everybody. Come on. Fire. Let's go.
let that play out. And gonna be signing off here. Comes the 9:30 candle. Flirting with that level. Here's a smidge of room. You want a little day, don't you? I'm going to keep it there. And it could go.
My overall favorite firm is still Apex, guys. Remember, they're still 90% off. The 50K trade of eight end of day is still only $35 with code JDUN.
Ready to call you. Why? Oh, okay. Are you still up at the cabin or are you home? Okay, good.
The account activation is like $99, I believe.